Hi guys, welcome back to tekkit. Part 5 I believe. Relax right there. Today we'll be building a generator that we can get some power to this massive door. So we went for a massive mine trip, got all this stuff, got 21 diamonds, a lot. Right, so this is where we massacred some squids, not skids, squids. Yeah, so I apologise for not making a video in absolutely ages, but during the winter holidays I've been, what's it called? I've been in New Zealand with my dad, and then after that I came home and I was heavily jet lagged. I didn't get any time to record, and then I went to Paris, so I really have not had any spare time at all over the holidays. So now back to school, and I'm just doing this in my spare time. So we're gonna make a generator today, and we make a generator using an RE battery, an iron furnace, and 3 refined iron. So we want to make an RE battery, which requires copper cables, redstone, and tin. So we want to get some. We need to find. We need to get some rubber. We'll be starting a new series soon. Tekkit multiplayer. Because I have a awesome server which I want to share with you guys. What was it? Oh, it's raining. I turn the rain off. It's so annoying. So annoying. So we want to get some rubber. So that means we need to find a dimple. Here's one. And sometimes there'll be more hidden in the rest of the dimple. So I always just waste these things because it's not very valuable. Are they? I mean, no. It's just like EMC of what? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what EMC they have, but it's really low. I know that. So, oh, there's one. There's another dimple. Nope. Okay. So we got 9 more rubber. That's brilliant. Should be enough to get us going. I haven't got a door yet. I mean, that's a bit odd. I mean, up the one now. Get sidetracked and build a door. A door. Okay. Alright, guys. Got a door there. And that door. And then now Bobs can't get in here. Zombies or whatever you want to kill them. Yeah. So I want to smelt that into rubber. Then I can make copper cables. I'm gonna need 2 sets of actually, so I might need some more rubber. Shit. Okay, alright, stuff it's really difficult when you first start out like this, and yeah. So you don't have anything cool or awesome or ninja to get you through. See what I did there? Ninja, I'm called Black Ninja. Yeah. Shit joke, wasn't it? Yeah, it was. Okay. Right, so today, I've already said it was, I'm going backtrack now. Let's put a torch here. These aren't growing because they're too close to the other ones. Let's put them out here, and then maybe they might grow a little bit better. So there we are. Oh, I changed my skin from Assassin Guy to his mighty noble dwarf. He's got a helmet on. It's pretty cool. I'm back in a sec. Right, I'm back. Sorry, just don't want to hear the TV, do you? Okay. I've got 8 rubber. I can make some more copper cables. So I don't know which way I've shown you to make these, but you can do them that way and then put the them next to it, which involves less clicking, so I do that. Because trust now I need to smelt 8 to be efficient with coal. Got a lot of coal, but you know, we need a lot. You do burn up a lot of coal. So yeah, like I say, I'll be creating a new series called Tekkit Multiplayer Server. I'll make it Tekkit Multi-Server. Yeah, Tekkit Multi-Server. I might do another server because, but this one anyway. It'll have approximately about 5 other guys on it, and I should introduce you to all of them over time. One of them is my sworn enemy. His name's it's called. Everyone just calls him Max. That's his real name. But his name in Minecraft was, I totally forgotten. But he's got a pig skin, and he nuked my whole house on our old world, and then my allies, basically my best friend, and then my other really good friend on that server, nuked his house, which also nuked the entire city, which has our houses in it, which basically blew up the world. So we had to create a new one. But this one I made more successful, so I've made like some dark mode stuff, and yeah. So okay, that's a glitch. It's very much of a glitch. Oh, there we are. Let's try to keep entertained just while the stuff smelts. Right, so we've got this now. Here we are. Right now we can build what I call a RE battery. So you put 2 redstone in the center, and you put 4 tin on the outside of that, and you get a copper cable and place that there. RE battery. Now we need iron, so we make a more furnace. There are 2 ways to create an iron furnace. One requires more iron than the other. The first one is this. Okay, so put this here and then that. So you get this, and then place it here and then get 5 iron. Or the other one is just to create 8 iron like this, which requires more iron. So I do it this way because it basically saves EMC, and yeah, you want to save as much EMC as possible. Okay, what's that? What's EMC? Okay, EMC is basically like the base value of each item, and some items which are from other mods, like I don't know, this won't have an EMC value, but this does. And you see just underneath where it says gravel, it's got EMC, and then it's got 4, and this has got 8 because cobblestone's 1 and some stuff's yeah. The most valuable thing is the Klein Star Omega, which is worth about 1 billion EMC. We will be making one of them if this series keeps on going. So yeah, there we are. Yeah, we need 2 more. Okay, iron furnaces. The advantage of having an iron furnace is basically to create like generators and stuff, but also it's just slightly faster than this average stupid old furnace. So now this is how we do it, like that, an iron furnace. Now, make a generator, we do that, then we get 3 refined iron, put it like that. There's another way of doing it. You can make a machine block which requires 8 refined iron. That's more expensive, so I don't do that way. And we have a generator. And now what we want to do is we want to place this next to it. Yeah, no, we don't want to do that. So now, actually, I'm going to have to mine this up. Shit. We want to place this here. And for the moment, we'll just put copper cables like that. And a better generator. And basically, the way we'll get some stuff macerating. So I'll show you how to macerate stuff. That sound just freaked me out. Okay, so then we put that there, and then what we do is this creates power. If I put coal or any kind of fuel here, and then it will fill up this, and it will output it with cables and to this, which will then power this, making this macerate. And then this is really a basic setup. What we really want to happen is we want the generator to feed. Just took a drink there from my orange squash. To feed it into a bat box, which basically stores power. So then if this runs out of coal, we'll keep going for a little bit more. So this will run into a bat box, which then will run to this, and we can have more power here. And then there are obviously lots more machines, and there are different ways of getting power, which we will invest in later. And there are different cables as well, better ones. This is basically a good cable, but it's not very good for long distance travelling. And yeah, I'll just give you a brief thing of the other power sources. We've got the solar panel, which you place in front of the sun. It will just gain power, not very much. So you need a lot of them to be efficient, but they're really quite nice. I like them. And they will create it during the day, but not during the night. So you need a power source to store all that energy, like a bat box or higher levels than that. Then there's the generator, of course. Then you've got geothermal, which basically what you do is you pump lava into tanks, which is basically like, have any glass? Do not have any glass. But it's basically a chest, basically made of glass. The same recipe as a chest, but made of glass. You make a tank, and you fill it up with lava, and then you pump it into a geothermal generator, and then it will make power from lava. Then you got the water thingies, which are water mills, which make, you put them in water and they'll make not very much power. I don't use them. And then you've got the windmill, which it's only efficient if you have glass covered cables, because then you need to get high up, really high. The higher you get, the more power you'll get from it. And they are quite a good power source, and they're not too expensive, but yeah. So that's power, I guess, for industrial craft. We'll of course go into magic as well, if you want to know that, but this has been tekkit. I'm Black Ninja. Please subscribe and like if you want the series to keep going. If you want the series to keep going, like. Next episode, I think we'll be making a bat box, maybe, or maybe some solar panels, or maybe a better machine or something. I haven't thought about that yet, but anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.